Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the First Citizens bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL firstcitizens.com. Once you do that, you'll be headed to this website and click on the login button at the top. So then click on Enroll Now. And then you'll have to choose between individual or business account that you're trying to create. After you choose that, you'll be headed to this page. So once you do that, you'll have to enter your information here. So first thing you need to do is open your social security number. Once you enter your social security number, enter your account number. After you do that, enter your requested login ID. So once you fill in all your information in this page, click on submit in order to proceed to other sections. And after you fill in all the information in the other sections, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the First Citizens bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.